So for this recipe, we are going to need 2 eggs, a tablespoon of butter and some fresh parsley. So we are going to start by chopping up the parsley really nice and fine. And if you can't get fresh parsley, you can use dried parsley or you can use any other herbs of your choice. Dried herbs are okay as well as fresh herbs. Use whatever you can get. The next thing I'm going to do is crack the eggs into a bowl. Then I'm going to season the eggs with some salt and some black pepper. And then I'm going to give the eggs a good whisk. Now you can make this recipe with as many eggs as you like. If 2 eggs are too many for you, then make it with a single egg, or if you have a larger appetite, 3 eggs will be just fine. Anyway, once you've beaten those eggs, it's time to get our pan on the stove and we are going to heat up the butter. And once again, if you can't get your hands on butter, you can use any other keto approved cooking fat that is available to you. Anyway, once that butter has melted, I'm going to pour in the beaten eggs and then using my spatula, I am going to just scramble the eggs. Now you want to cook these to your liking. Some people like it soft and creamy. Some people prefer to fully cook it till it's firm and almost hard. In fact, let me know in the comments how you like your scrambled eggs to be cooked. Now you want to cook this on a medium to low heat so you have complete control of the cooking of the eggs. If the heat is too high, they will cook way too fast and you may not get the scrambled egg you deserve. Anyway, once the eggs were cooked to my liking, I got the pan off the stove. I served myself the eggs in a plate and then I finished it off with the fresh parsley. And this adds a lovely freshness to the eggs. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen, our breakfast of scrambled eggs with fresh parsley is done and it looks delicious. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to Headbanger's Kitchen for more awesome keto recipes, and also hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload a new video. Anyway, if you want to listen to some of my music, click here. If you want to watch another keto video, click here.